What is going on, guys? I'm Sandoval here with another live trading video. Today is Friday, November the 6th, 2020. The time is 9:28 Eastern time. That means we got about a minute and 40 seconds before the market opens. In front of you, I got two charts. I have the Nasdaq 100 and the S&P 500. They're both on a 5-minute chart. We're trading a live account using one contract, and we're trying to hit our daily profit goal, which is 500 bucks. So with that said, guys, we noticed that the overnight session, the market was where it is right now. So it hit those prices and it just dropped. And then right now it's doing like a little bit of a upward movement, bullish. So at this point, we don't know if, because it's on the same level, it's going to drop again, or if it's just retracing right now and then it's going to continue to go higher. Same thing with the S&P. The overnight session, it was here. That's where it's at right now. I still think it's going to continue to go higher. So what I'm going to do right now is, got about 30 seconds, 40 seconds before the market opens. So we're going to wait and see how low this next candle goes. And then if it doesn't break this support, then more than likely the market is going to continue to go higher. So that's it, guys. We got 20 seconds for the market to open. We're going to be very cautious. It's Friday. We're going to wait for a good setup. But I still think the market is going to depending here against the next candle, how low it goes, if it goes to the upside, or if it's gonna come down. So gonna wait to see if it breaks the support. When it closes below support, then that means we can sell the market. If it doesn't, then chances are it's gonna continue to go higher. Alright, guys, I'm back. So I have a pending order, selling order. You can see here it came up, it didn't take me by a tick. So okay, so here we go.
Order filled.
Alright, guys, we're in this trade. I hope that it doesn't, this candle doesn't break on top, because if it does, then we'll be in trouble. So what I'll do, I'm gonna go straight to break even. So this is already a free trade, and then we're gonna go ahead and I really want to move my take profit to this next support, but let's not be greedy. Let's just go with our target. So at this point, see, that's 40, it's 200.
Target filled.
There we go, guys. Target hit. We were patient enough. We knew that so market opened, came all the way up. Market opened. This big candle broke what it was a support. And then when it broke this blue line right here and it closed, this right here should have been an entry right here. There should have been an entry. I just didn't know if it was, since we were in an uptrend, if this was a retracement and then it was going to continue to go back up. But every time we got this big candles, it just means that it's just a strong confirmation, and the sellers were in control, so we should have taken that trade right there. We didn't. Seeing right now, we took this one, came down, now it's coming back up, so we got kind of lucky in that. So it's coming back, but still, it's the same retracement, so it's still gonna come back as long as it doesn't break that blue line for this 11,980. So right there's probably as high as it's gonna go. So the next candle is gonna do a little, it's gonna touch resistance, and then it's gonna continue to drop to the next support. So there you go. Yeah, that's as high as it's gonna go. Now it's coming the other way. So the next candle is gonna come up a little bit, and then it's gonna continue to go down. But that's it, guys. We hit our target goal for the day. We hit it yesterday, so we've been doing good. I hope you guys liked the video. If you have any questions or comments, please put them on the comment section. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And I will see you guys on the next video. Y'all be careful trading. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Thanks for watching.